In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Shopify apps. If you're cleaning up your store or removing tools you no longer use, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect so nothing catches you by surprise. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. If you manage more than one store, double check you're in the correct one before you make changes. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Apps. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Apps or Apps and Sales channels, but it takes you to the same place, a list of everything installed on your store. Next, find the app you want to remove. If you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow it down. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right app, especially if you use similar tools for different tasks. Uninstalling will stop the app from working right away. Click the app's name to open its details page. This is where Shopify shows the app's information and settings. From here, look for the option to delete or uninstall. You might see a button labeled delete app or uninstall, typically near the top right, or it could be inside a more actions menu. The wording can vary, but both options do the same thing. They remove the app from your store. When prompted, select a reason if asked. This is usually a short multiple choice question from Shopify or the app developer to understand why you're leaving. It won't affect your store, it's just feedback. Finally, confirm by clicking delete or uninstall. Shopify will process the change and you'll be returned to your apps list with a quick confirmation message. If you still see the app, refresh your browser to update the view. A couple of things to keep in mind. Uninstalling an app removes its access to your store and cancels its charges going forward under Shopify's billing system, but you're still responsible for any past charges. If the app billed you outside of Shopify, check that provider's terms to make sure you're fully cancelled. Some apps may leave behind data or theme code they created while installed. That won't harm your store, but if you want a complete cleanup, review the app's documentation or contact the developer for guidance on removing leftovers. And if you change your mind, you can reinstall the app later. Just note that previous settings might not carry over. That's it. Log in, go to apps, open the app you want to remove, choose delete or uninstall, provide a reason if asked, and confirm. You're all set.